Talc powder can increase the stability of product shape, reduce deformation, elongation, thermal expansion coefficient, particle size uniformity, and strong dispersion characteristics. Regarding the cleaning of talc ball press, we should carefully and real-time clean up the dust on the talc ball press. In the process of disassembly, the dust should be carefully removed, and it is strictly prohibited to invade the mechanical moving parts. Check the wear of the triangle liner, bearing, screw, nozzle, and other parts inside the body of the talc ball press, and clean it up and replace the bearing GR. Check whether the bottom and safety bolt of the talc ball press are loose and tighten them. Open the inspection cover of the accelerator to check the gear fit and wear state. If we find that there is a large pressure change in the oil pressure of the talc ball oil cylinder, new oil should be injected in real time. If the oil pressure system of the talc ball press is found leaking oil during operation, it should be stopped immediately and restarted after repairing the oil leak.